Good morning all. This is Dr. S. Prince Emil, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Biomedical Engineering and SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. SNS College of Technology is the first Indian institution to implement the design thinking framework in the entire curriculum. In today's class, I am going to discuss about the fundamentals of digital electronics, particularly in the healthcare area. So this is one of the most important concept because nowadays the healthcare devices, they play a very important vital role since they are monitoring the live parameters of a human body. For example, the heart rate, body temperature, ECG signal, oxygen saturation, etc. These parameters are monitored very continuously. So why here digital electronics plays a main role is nothing but the human body, the whatever signals generated inside our human body is purely of analog format. But the analog format, understanding the signals is very difficult for doctors as well as the patients, as well as the persons who are taking care of the patients. In order to avoid this, we convert all the signals to a digital format. Digital format that is also in a very pure form. So this digital electronics, they play a vital role in the healthcare devices. Generally, when we speak about the term digital electronics, the output will be in two forms, either logic 1 or logic 0. So here, based on the digits, based on the display parameters, we can easily identify the health condition of a person. For example, these heart rates, the blood pressure levels, oxygen, these are the main important parameters to understand the health condition of a person at that instant. Since, for example, a normal person, a normal school student even we can say, if we just say that 78 BPM per minute to 85 BPM per minute is the normal heart rate of a person, means this parameter will be displayed in the LCD device or even to the wireless modules through smartphones, etc. This digit is enough to understand the health condition of a person. So the person or the nurse who is taking care of the patient can immediately convey the information to the doctor. For example, if the heart rate is 45 BPM per minute, means it is abdominal, immediately the treatment can be started to improve the heart conditions. Likewise, the body temperatures, the ECG signals, the oxygen saturation, etc. So, what is the fundamentals behind this digital electronics is nothing but these all the parameters from the sensors, the signal conditioning circuits, the ADC, the microcontroller, the memory, the wireless devices and the smartphone. So, here sensors means it refers to the different kinds of biomedical sensors. Second one is nothing but the signal conditioning. The signal conditioning is nothing but expanding the signals or making the signals very pure from the external noises, etc. is nothing but the signal conditioning. And finally is the ADC. ADC means the converters, the analog to the digital converter. They play a vital role in this conversion of signals. Because the signals are to be of very pure, that is the purity should be 100%. That is the most important parameters in the healthcare signal, that is the biomedical signals. Then comes the microcontroller part. Here the biomedical engineers as well as the electronics, they develop the code to process the signals and give it in a digital format. So they play a vital role. So when we speak about the term microcontrollers, for the basic operations we can use the Arduinos, the 8085 controllers, the ARM Cortex, etc. But when we want to some multi-level parameters, multi-level ICU analysis, critical monitoring, etc., then these microcontrollers, they can be replaced with the digital signal processors. The digital signal process, they play a vital role in monitoring the parameters. The digital signal process means multiple functions can be performed at the same time. The memory size will be very high. So they play a vital role. Different kinds of digital signal embedded. For example, we say it can process even up to 64, 256 like bits at the same time. Then we come to the term memory. Memory means generally there are three different types of memory: RAM, ROM and flash memory. So finally, what are the advantages I am going to conclude? In this method, there will be high accuracy, the device size is very compact, the low power consumption, the real-time monitoring capability and the noise relation to filtering techniques. Thank you.